how to fix Discord if it's kicking you out of calls. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here, as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will go and search for Discord, yeah. And when you found Discord, just open it like this, then go to storage option and go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then go to force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another